how does it feel?
Taking pictures of me.
How does it feel? Show us. That's Chad's oil on Connie's pants. No. Finish unscrewing. Hey, you. Are you videotaping? Yeah. Oh.
I'm done.
Dude.
Don't tell me to finish screwing the car because it's done.
Chad screwed the car. Oh look, Connie's helping.
Guys, if you stop.
Why?
What? You put first of all, put those in there so you don't lose them. If you lose those, that's bad. Don't take it off. If you lift it up and the wheel comes off, we don't know how high we need to lift the car to get the new wheel on. You take that off when you get up in the air, because it's not all the way up, and if you take it off now, the car will fall.
The car will fall.
Jack, and then we have no way of getting it off. That was a lot to say.
How do you feel, Chad? Taking charge.
Stop videotaping me.
This is Tyrell in his American Eagle underwear. I'm the antagonist today.
Here it goes.
And it's lifting. Lifting, lifting, lifting. What an adventure. This is Ephraim, guys. There's nothing here. This is their one stoplight.
You know what's here? There's a leaky tire. You can hear it. Put the camera by the tire. And
There's also a guy that closes at 5 that won't help us.
Can you hear it? This is our leaking tire. And we tried to go to a car place, but the man wouldn't help us because he closes at 5 and it's 8:30. And the Manti pageant starts at 9:30.
Good enough.
Breathe. I say breathe.
Okay, now, woman.
Just breathe. Take the nut off. Connie's gonna take Chad's nut off!
Do it!
You know why.
When he's lying on the ground, writhing in pain!
It's gonna hurt. See that? This is
Threatening
like a gun.
with a
What if the
crowbar
cop
thing.
drove past and I'm like brandishing this?
He's like, take my tire or die!
Tyrell already.
It's like a gun.
Tyrell being a manly man. Oh, he did it.
He's better than you, Chad. See how easily he did
yeah,
that?
yeah. Who loosened that? Wait.
Chad.
Oh, yeah, that was me.
It's true.
Who
Tyrell,
found the dumb thing in the
Tyrell,
first
could
place?
you loosen it?
I'm pretty sure I could.
Oh, Chad's taking control.
Can Tyrell lift a tire? Probably.
Chad can! The Chadley man can!
Alright, it.
Write it again, dude.
It's not like these jeans were clean to begin.
Write it again, dude.
I got it on.
Do it.
I don't want my mom to see this.
Now, Chad. Now what you gonna do, huh?
I'm gonna admire that tire because it looks really nice. That's a nice looking tire compared to
Tyrell's not
the other one.
lifting it.
This one.
Is he okay? Does he need help?
Use those muscles that you get at the gym.
It doesn't matter, just put it on.
No. Only 5 on this one. Ooh, it's still
And it's still leaking.
Can I pull the rock out now?
I don't think that's it. Is that it? It was much bigger than that.
It's
Right there.
Chad, you might have to help Tyrell.
I don't think he can do it.
I'm kidding.
I don't think he can do it. Here, finish videoing.
Okay.
Here, I'll videotape you on the tire. Or did Jessica already do
How
that?
long will this tape for?
I don't know, since we've been taking the tire.
I'm gonna laugh when that thing doesn't even fit. Then we're real screwed.
Then we call the parentals, tell them that we're not independent enough to go on road trips anymore.
Does this not zoom in? Does this not zoom, Jessica?
Why are you zooming in
I'm not.
under?
I'm on the tire, see? On the tire.
Right.
Right.
Oh my gosh, this doesn't fit.
Dad!
What? We're gonna die out
It
here!
really doesn't fit?
Mom, I love you!
Don't say goodbye!
Goodbye!
Say goodbye! It's okay.
Goodbye. I'll miss you. Kelsey, you can have my Game Boy.
What do you want to give away?
Well, Mike can keep my guitar at his house, along with the piano.
The wheel doesn't fit!
Make Chad try it for a second.
Chad, we need you. Tyrell's not Boy Scout enough for us.
Watch out, that might fall on you!
Chad almost killed me. Do you need me?
Are you trying to put it on the wrong side?
Now let me tell you a little Boy Scout secret here. There's 10 holes and 5 screws. and we want to change it. If you skip every other one...
Okay, that's not the point,
Let me
dummy.
show you. And it looks like it doesn't... Hang on a second, we're trying it again.
Can Chad do it? Yes. Chad, he's our man. If he can't do it, we're screwed! What does that sound like to you guys?
Connie, give me the nuts. Oh, never mind, we got it on.
Good thing we have Chad, because Tyrell's a boy. Chad! Chad!
Just shout me from. Oh, help! Chad!
I feel like bowing down to him.
That guy had his window down.
They face the other way.
What I was
That's what I thought I was just going to
telling you.
Well, this concludes our ordeal. We're about done. I'm going to show you our stack of stuff we have to put back. This is all our camping gear that we almost didn't put to good use because we're pansies and we wanted to stay in a hotel. This is Connie. And this is our stuff again. This is our car with the flat tire. And this is Chad, the victor. He conquered the tire. He is
the tire.
This is Tyrell finishing up Chad's dirty work.
pretending he did it, and